In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream to Discord. If you've ever wanted to share your screen with friends or a community for gaming sessions, presentations, or just for fun, this guide will make the process seamless and easy to follow. So let's dive right in. Start by opening your Discord app. Once you've got Discord up and running, navigate to the server where you want to stream. You'll find your server list on the left-hand side of the window. Simply click on the server of your choice. Next, you'll need to join a voice channel. You can do this by clicking on any voice channel under the server. It's typically located beneath the text channels. This action will automatically connect you to the voice channel, allowing you to start broadcasting your audio and video. Now, take a look at the bottom left corner of the Discord window. You'll notice what's called a voice status panel. In there, search for a screen icon. It looks like a computer monitor with an arrow inside it. Give that icon a click. Once you do, a new pop-up window will appear, giving you access to your stream settings. Here you'll see two primary options: applications and screens. For this example, we'll be selecting the screens option, which allows you to broadcast everything displayed on your screen. At this point, a stream settings window will appear. This is where you can fine-tune the quality of your stream to suit your needs. You'll have the ability to select the resolution. Commonly available options are 720p, 1080p, or even source, which mimics your screen's native resolution. Alongside resolution, you can choose the frame rate. Choices generally include 30 frames per second or a smoother 60 frames per second. Both of these settings are important as they determine the clarity and fluidity of your stream. Once you're satisfied with your settings, look towards the bottom of the pop-up window. You'll see a button labeled Go Live. Click on that button, and just like that, your stream will go live for everyone in the voice channel to see. Streaming via Discord offers an engaging way to interact with your friends and fellow server members. Remember, the quality of your stream can be affected by your internet connection, so it's a good idea to ensure your internet is stable before starting. With these simple steps, you're ready to share your gaming adventures, tutorials, or any content right on Discord. Enjoy your streaming experience and make sure to engage with your viewers as they tune in. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.